The fall of ancient Egypt. Today, we dive into the captivating tale of Egypt's last pharaoh, Cleopatra VII. Born in 69 BCE, Cleopatra was known for her intelligence, political acumen, and iconic beauty. She ruled from 51 to 30 BCE, skillfully navigating alliances and rivalries with Roman leaders Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Her reign was marked by her efforts to restore Egypt's greatness, but it ultimately ended with her tragic suicide following the defeat at the Battle of Actium. Cleopatra's death marked the end of the Ptolemaic Kingdom and Egypt's transition into a Roman province. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.